Let's get today going.
Awkward. I'm stoked.
Going out. I might get fries.
I'm gonna get the chips and guac.
So good.
I miss these days.
We don't need no man.
I feel like I haven't vlogged by myself out in public in a very long time. But yeah, I don't even know what I was saying there. Was that a TED Talk?
Proud I did that. Whew.
Oh, hi. Is that a waggy tail for me, Chloe? Hi, baby. Hi, Ro. Did we throw up this morning? Are we feeling okay?
Happy Sunday. I'm stoked because my video is already up. You guys are also loving it, by the way. I uploaded the assumptions about me video and you guys honestly were like really freaking liking it. It made me so happy. I've been replying to comments on that all morning. Oh my god. I tried to make it nice and it's honestly like not the best bun, but you know what? It'll work. So we just finished the makeup, just finished getting ready. I honestly didn't even do like eyeshadow, which is interesting, and not much eye makeup, but kind of vibing with it, you know. Today I have random stuff that I need to get done, so I figured I'd vlog it. I feel like recently I've really been missing running errands and going out and about, and obviously it's because of Corona and we've all been stuck at home, but I think I forget that I can still go out to lunch or I can go get coffee, like little things like that. I feel like I low-key like forgot. So yeah, I don't know what the plans really are today, but I would love to just kind of be out of the house as much as possible. Also, I low-key realized I don't think I've even vlogged in my car once. Like, other than showing you guys that I got my new car, I don't think I've actually vlogged me in it. I had that realization last night when I was trying to go to sleep, because that's always when I get my like best thoughts. Can anyone else relate to that? Like when I'm trying to sleep, I literally like get the best ideas. My mind is like racing. It's so hard just to like freaking calm down and go to bed. But yeah, I literally had that realization last night around midnight and I was like, oh, I don't think I've shown them that. Let's get today going. Here's the fit. It's so funny. I'm not even kidding. Accessories literally make an outfit. Like at first when I was getting dressed, I was like, this is ugly. I don't like it. Now it's a vibe. This shirt is from White Fox and these are their like extremely oversized t-shirt. This is actually a size medium. You would honestly think it's like a 2X. As always, I'll have all the affiliate links in the description box for you guys, but if you are gonna get this, just keep that in mind. It's like really baggy and really big, but it's so comfy. I really like it. They sent it over to me as well as a green color, I think. And yeah, it's really cute. It's also really thick. My necklace is from Urban Outfitters. Glasses are Key Australia. In Malibu, when I lost one of my glasses because I got hit by a wave and I was just really freaking stupid, I lost my favorite glasses, the Very Busy Jaclyn Hill collab from Key Australia. So I ended up buying these ones, which aren't the Very Busy ones. They're very similar though. The name is Front Runner. And they said this is like the most similar that they have on the site. So I'll have that linked for you guys. YSL fanny pack, crossbody. I remember when I used to think this was so weird and now I can't imagine wearing a fanny pack normal. Like I always wear it like that. It's just so comfy. My shorts are from Aritzia. These are their cotton 6 or 7 inch ones. I've always talked about this. That's my favorite length on me. I feel like because my legs are shorter and my torso is longer, normal size biker shorts that come to my knee are not flattering whatsoever. Like I feel like even this outfit makes me look a little stumpy. Not really stumpy. I don't know the word I'm looking for. It doesn't lengthen my legs, especially with the high socks too, but honestly I think it's really cute. So that's why I really like the shorter ones. It's funny because I just feel like they look better, they're more flattering, and they comfy. Then of course, what else would we be wearing on our feet other than some Nike Air Force Ones? I really need to clean them. They're not horrible, they just kind of need cleaned. And some Nike socks, which yes. And yes, I was wearing glasses inside that whole time. Awkward. So Ash and I are actually gonna go get some lunch, which I'm really excited for. I didn't even have to like convince her hard. I was just like, hey, can we go get some food? She was like, yeah. I'm stoked. Going out. I might get fries.
Fries, or I'm gonna get the chips and guac. That's what I'm gonna get. If you guys are ever in the valley, you have to come to Aroma. It is so good. Have the best chips and guac. It's so good. It's definitely spicy. Yeah, the guac has like a little kick to it, but we love spicy food, and the chips are always just like so crispy. Ah, love this. I'm thriving. Food just got here. I'm ecstatic. It looks great. we're thriving today. I got the house salad and then no cheese on it, and then I added salmon and grilled shrimp because low-key the grilled shrimp here is the best grilled shrimp I think I've ever had in my entire life, and I'm not even exaggerating whatsoever. It is so good and fresh and just Yeah, and then we got the chips and guac. Are you stoked? Sounds great. And then maybe we should get like Alfred later. I miss these days. Welcome to Alicia Does an Unboxing, part 24,500,000 and whatever. An unboxing and a vlog, OMG, very original. But you know what? Hold on, I need like a little something to lean this baby on. Cute? Maybe? Cute. Okay, you know when you get excited for a package and you just like run down the stairs and you like can't contain your excitement? That was me with these, but then I realized, Alicia, you're vlogging today. Might as well show the people what you got. First thing, crack my back. This is good morning. So we got a package. This is an iconic package. It is very Alisha Marie. I bought this with my own money. Actually, I got two things with my own money, and Ashley's definitely gonna steal it. What is it? Take a guess. It's from Amazon? No, not from Amazon. It's something you steal of mine a lot.
Beyond Yoga Top?
No, but you do steal that a lot. Yeah, you steal that too, but no. A Forever 21 men's jacket. I don't have a black zipper jacket at all. So we got a large in the black. I like them just because they're thin. They're super inexpensive. These were on sale. And then I also got a gray extra large one, which I know, Alicia, you already have a million gray sweatshirts. Problem is mine are all stained, but it's okay. That's the sign of a good sweatshirt. I think these were on sale for like, I think I paid $30 something for both of these. Like they were really inexpensive. They're just so thin, so cute. Don't have a boyfriend for a jacket. That's fine. We don't need no man. Honestly, it's actually really cute with the fit. So I got the extra large in the gray, and then I got a large in the black, so yay. Next, we got a package from no other, just kidding. Package from Living Proof, and if you guys know me, if you've watched the vlogs, you know I'm obsessed with them, and I literally just talked about them. Oh my God, they sent so much. I literally just talked about them on a live that I did on Amazon the other day, and okay, I'm gonna go through this quick. Styling and finishing spray, the full dry volume blast. Another one. Heat protection, medium hold flex hairspray. Oh my God, I haven't even seen this. Oh my God, I'm so excited to try. Oh my God, okay, wait, wow. Some shampoo. 5-in-1 styling treatment. What? 5-in-1? Smooths volume, condition, strength, and polish. Wow, oh my God. We got that, don't mind the coffee cup. That was what I was using for a tripod. Conditioner. And last but certainly not least, the best dry shampoo I've just ever tried. This is the jumbo one, guys. Thank you, Living Proof. I don't think you know how much I love this, and I love you guys. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You guys are the real MVP. Ash, I think you got one of these packages too. So you're not gonna steal mine anymore. Yay! Oh my God, I just realized I have a perfect little shelf right here. Wow. Sorry for the lighting, but I was asked to go do a coffee run and I gratefully accepted, so let's do it. I feel like I haven't vlogged by myself out in public in a very long time. Now's a good time to say, get your Shop Alisha Marie mask. Okay, bye. Actually, I think this one's sold out, but I think there's still a few more of the other ones. ALY? Alfred has such a really cool system where you just kind of like go up to the window and get it. We got 3 choccachinos today. Okay, I'm literally so annoying. I just posed by myself awkwardly to get a thumbnail. Insert footage here. Yeah, that's what it's like getting a thumbnail when you're by yourself and you look like a loner. It is extremely hot. I was not expecting it to be that hot. I was like dripping by the time I just got back to the car. I am so over it being 100 degrees here in California. So hopefully cold weather comes soon. Okay, I already mentioned what I got. I'm not sure how many coffee shops sell this, but this is called a chocachino. Oh my God. Basically it's with this, I don't even know, it's called chaga. It's vegan, it's keto, it's whatever. I got oat milk with it and it's actually like so freaking good. These are a little melted, so we're gonna get home. But the chaga is made from like a mushroom base. I don't know how to explain it. It sounds disgusting, but it's really good. If I had to describe it, it tastes like a cinnamon, like a honey cinnamon latte. Like that's what it tastes like to me, honestly. That was pretty spot on. A honey, sweet, cinnamon latte.
Point being, is real good. You should try it. Now I'm gonna go home and get in some air conditioning. This is gonna sound weird, but it feels like a normal day. I don't think that's insensitive to say, but I feel like just everything going on the past few months, like it feels nice to feel somewhat normal. Even wearing a mask going out feels normal-ish now, but like, I don't know, just getting out of the house is so important. Still think everyone should do their part and stay home and stuff, but like for your mental health, because I don't know about you guys, but mine was going so down when I was isolating myself at home and like not even stepping a foot outside, like going for walks or like running to get coffee, even though it's like, oh, I could make coffee at home. It's actually helped me a lot. I feel like this is a good reminder that I need to do it more. But yeah, I don't even know what I was saying there. Was that a TED Talk? I have no idea. I'm like, hot, bothered, sweaty. Okay, let's go. I'll see you home. Oh my God, I walked in and look who's on the big screen. Is that my new video I uploaded today? Go watch it, link below. Honestly, I'm not kidding. Like I said earlier, you guys are loving it. It makes me so happy. Ew, look at my face. Wow. Okay, let's not.
Oh.
For me?
For you.
I was trying to describe to them what it tastes like. Does it not taste like a honey cinnamon latte?
Should we get some ASMR for them? That's a great sound.
How would you describe it? I said mushroom and I know a lot of them like cringed.
It is mushroom. I know that, but
it does not taste like mushroom.
cinnamon is a good.
Honey, like a vanilla honey cinnamon thing?
I used to always drink cinnamon dulces at Starbucks, and it has the same cinnamony flavor. It's not as like spicy, but it has
it's
that.
less fall.
Yeah,
More just
more just cinnamon, cardamom-y.